fantastic photo shoot of my garage by Eric's Garages AZ. Drive it like you stole it, bitches. Forget about it.
Hey, good morning everybody. It's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today from the Toy Barn on Lone Mountain Road. We're actually up in Cave Creek, Arizona. And here we are right here. And if you don't know, the Toy Barn is a luxury man cave, luxury car condominium. And we're going to be cruising in here in a second, but stick around because they've got some incredible cars. There's motorcycles rolled up in here. We're talking about custom cars, exotics, hot rods, you name it, they've got it. So stay tuned for more. All right, so again, this is Eric, and we're at the Toy Barn in Cave Creek, Arizona, and I happen to have an opportunity to meet a guy named Jason, who actually is one of the owners of the car condominium complex. I want to take a minute of his time here and have him tell you what's going on with this. And so take it away, Jason.
Yeah, hi, my name's Jason Phillips. I'm with the Toy Barn, a family-owned company here based in Scottsdale, Arizona. We developed a concept called the Toy Barn. So what it is a country club of like-minded individuals, so motorsports enthusiasts, car collectors, RVs, boats, motorhomes, desert toys. All of that is housed here in the Toy Barn community.
You said it's a luxury car condominium, is that the concept?
That's what it is.
So behind us here, why don't we walk this way, Jason? When you guys construct the Toy Barn,
yes,
it's just a shell.
That's right.
So these guys, the owner here,
He's done all of this on his own.
Okay. So he actually did, basically he did all this stuff here that you see behind me, right? Okay. Wow. And they can have like restrooms and actually a workshop in here where they can actually do their own welding or whatever. Are there any restrictions regarding what they can and can't do in a toy barn?
We're really trying to keep out the small-time contractors, if you will. We really want to preserve the integrity of the community.
What has the feedback been regarding the integrity of the country club? When I walk into the main area there, it's really cool.
Yep.
Chill couches, people standing around making lifelong decisions and whatnot. I mean,
right.
Is that kind of what it is?
That's exactly what it is.
Really?
Yeah. So
instead of getting out there golfing,
right,
we're hanging out with the coolest thing in the world, which is cool cars.
Right. And what sets us apart from like a self-storage facility is the clubhouse. You can have it all.
Wow. The sky's the limit,
Sky's the limit, really.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
You're only limited by your own imagination and your own checkbook.
All right, so as we wrap up here, how do people get a hold of you? What's the best way for them to reach you? Website?
Toybarnstorage.com.
Toybarnstorage.com.
That's the best way, yeah.
All right, cool.
And we're here today at Cars and Coffee. We do Cars and Coffee the fourth Saturday of every month at this location. And starting March 20th, the third Saturday of every month, we're going to start in Chandler.
And I hope everybody comes out to see you guys as well. This is amazing. I'm going to shoot some video here of some of these cool barns, so stick around. So to kind of give you a bird's eye view, if you will, or a tunnel view, or whatever kind of view you want to call it, it's a long ways down. It's probably 250 feet or so, and then another 250 feet this way, and all these are garages. And again, they're the custom car condominium garage here at Toy Barn in Lone Mountain, and they have, again, they said 5 of the locations, and you have all sorts of crazy cool cars here, man. Like you saw the Ferraris and the Porsches, and there was a Sunbeam that rolled through here earlier today. Really neat stuff here. So if you guys are a car collector, you want to see some really cool cars, come out to the Toy Barn. 4th Saturday of every month is up here in Lone Mountain. The 3rd Saturday of every month, starting in March, is going to be in Chandler. And again, they have other locations that they're going to go check out. And like I said, we have all sorts of cool cars here. Look at this. like I said, there's all sorts of cool cars here. We saw a bunch of Ferraris and Harleys, and now we have the muscle car. You guys know I love muscle cars, and the Mopar muscle cars are right here. And the Toy Barn. 4th Saturday every month, they have cars and coffee, and if you're a real serious enthusiast with has extra disposable income, you got to buy one of these things, because you can actually work in your own car here, store your own car here, and if you're like me, you need an opportunity to get away from the wife once in a while, and there's a perfect opportunity for that. All right, stick around, guys. So as Jason mentioned, the Toy Barn also has a clubhouse, and this is their clubhouse right in here. Got really cool seating, and I'm sure that's a fire pit or grill or something, and tables. And back inside of here is more comfortable chairs. And if you're an owner in this facility here, you can actually have access to this for free. You just have to reserve it. So let's say, for example, you want to have a birthday party or a celebration or something. You come on in here. Well, hey, I have my new best friend forever right here, and Jason with the Toy Barn. We were getting ready to wrap up here, and so Jason, I really appreciate the opportunity to come here and video you, interview you, talk about the Toy Barn, and like we say in Eric's Garage AZ Land, drive it like you stole it, bitches. See ya. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more right here on Eric's Garage AZ.